Over $40,000 in commissions generated by me in Builderall. Hello, my name is Alex Friedman and I joined the Builderall platform in September 2017. And I recognize that this platform not only as the best marketing platform available out there in the marketplace, but also as a great business opportunity. So what I did, guys, I just mailed my own mailing list and I invited people to join the webinar that I hosted. And in the webinar, I just showed them the tool, I demonstrated the platform, and within the first month, I was able to generate $29,000. And by today, total commissions earned on Builderall is over $14,000. And guys, I will just share my screen with you so you can see my results. So here is the paid commissions. These commissions that I already received is $38,000 and $3,600 available for withdrawal, $1,000 on hold, what makes a total of over $14,000 in commissions. So my results, of course, is my results, and it cannot come as a guarantee to your results, but I just showing it to you that you can see that things is possible when you have the right tools and the right opportunities. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye.